What's your favorite?
It's definitely gonna be the citrus one. I'm saving that one for later. This one's tasty though. You wanna try? Hey Wellness Warriors, this is Sara Quiriconi, Live Free Warrior. Today we're talking about detoxing and cleansing. And no, you don't have to cut out food groups, and no, you don't have to go on a juice cleanse. Now we're just talking about water recipes. That simple. There are nothing but fruits and one veggie in this mix. Now water itself can detox and cleanse your body, but this adds a little bit of a kick to it. And I'll tell you why as we go through the recipes. I'm featuring all of these recipes in the Dafi filtration system because the filters that they use. They use an alkalinizing filter in each one of their containers, which helps to, ready for this one, decrease aging, strengthen your bones and your teeth, and also speeds up your metabolism and increases your immunity. Pretty damn good, right? Let's hop to the recipes. To depuff yourself, right? You feel a little bloated, maybe you drink a little too much, and you just want to get your body moving again. You gotta add water to your system. Particularly adding cucumber and lemon to that. Now, as you know from previous posts, I always start out my day with lemon water. This one adds a little bit of a kick because I'm adding some cucumber to it as well, which naturally helps to pull and extract extra water from your system. The vitamin C that's added with the lemon is a bonus, and this is actually, you know when you go to a spa and they have like the cucumber water around, well, now you can make these own fancy drinks in your house too, without having to go to a spa to make it happen. Next recipe, this one is to de-stress. You got pineapple, sliced strawberry, and some lime. This one I have mixed up here in the water bottle, which is pretty cool because you can just add water to it and it filtrates it itself. Right? Grab it to go. I would actually love this in one of the classes or when I'm going to the gym to have by my side, and I can just refill it when I need some more. The vitamin C in both of the pineapple and the strawberry help to boost your immune system, and at the same time, some of the compounds that are in the pineapple help to cleanse and detox your system. The last recipe on the mix is to detoxify your body, specifically. This combines all different citrus fruits, and you can also add in a grapefruit, but for my recipe I'm using lime, lemon, and orange, right? Typically and easy to find in your grocer. Slice it up. I have it in a jar, the pitcher, that I can keep and refill throughout the day, and just pouring from that container. It tastes good, it gives you a little bit of kick. The citrus fruits themselves are loaded with vitamin C and anti-inflammatory properties, all of which are gonna help to remove toxins from your liver and through your digestive system. Here's a tip. You cut up all these fruits, but you don't necessarily need to use the entire one, right? That's where having an airtight container can be super useful to store the extra fruit that you're not cutting up in the moment. After cutting up the last bit, I have extra citrus fruits left over. Using the Dafi airtight container, I'm gonna put the top on, take the air out, and I can store this container at least for a few more days in my fridge without it spoiling, but without wasting it at the same time. Let's get drinking of a lot of the good stuff. But really guys, it matters what you put into your body, the quality of the water that you're adding, and also what you're putting to it. Now I did a previous post on ways to add more water into your daily life and as a daily habit. This is another good way, and this is actually one of those tips, is to add fruit to your water so it tastes a little bit better, but you're not having any of added sugars to it. Peace out, Wellness Warriors. I'm Sara Quiriconi, Live Free Warrior, signing off for today with their detox recipes. For more tips, wellness, travel, and yoga, head to livefreewarrior.com.
It's a wrap.